Hi guys, it's Nunu, and we are in week 6 of 6, July 15th through the 21st, 2019. We made it. We have completed about 16 weeks worth of work in this accelerated 6-week course. Okay, so what do we have here in home on our bulletin board? We have the image of a typewriter, which is something I used when I was a college student, but you may not have used. I'm sure you don't use. We use a computer now. I thought this was pretty cool, and it's fitting because you're going to write your term paper. It's 1,500 words, 6 pages, plus a works cited. The works cited is not part of the 6 pages. And of course, our term paper topic, our research paper, is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem. Okay, we can go into modules here to read the term paper directions, or here in this handy link, I'm going to click here. Okay, so we're in here now, discussion 5, the term paper, 1,500 words. We also have discussion 5, VeriCite, upload term paper here as a file. This is required. You want to read these directions carefully. This is a check to make sure you have cited your sources, which you must do, and the term paper directions are right here. And as I scroll down, of course, you see the requirements here in this link. You just need to click on them to read the requirements, and you'll see in number 6 the VeriCite requirement. Okay, so I'm going to click on the back arrow. We are in the term paper assignment, and I'm going to remind you, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm right here, and you're never bothering me when you email me. If something isn't clear, help me to make it clear. So let's have a good, great last week.